Right, guys, the queen of fabric roses is here again. Christmas is here, and we are making Christmas inspired fabric roses right now. And all we need is just two different types of satin ribbons which depict Christmas, red and green. You can choose whatever other colors you like, maybe white and green, white and red and white, whichever color. But we are doing red and green right now. So all you need to do is to make sure the edges are straight, and then you make sure the edges are well opposed with a source of heat. And you're going to be making the 2.5 centimeters in width is the satin ribbon. I'm going to make them face each other. You're going to form a diagonal. It depends on whatever color you want it to be, outside or inside, that the middle, whichever one is fine. Now you're going to be twisting into simple circles. Look at my hand, twisting into simple circles, and then you turn your hand and you twist and turn, twist and turn, twist and turn. You're going to be using the tip of your thumb to hold it in place while you turn the first and the last two fingers. So twist and turn. And that's how you're going to follow the trend until you feel it's big enough. You get a needle and thread. You bite the back of it with the needle and thread so to keep it in place. Now, this is another video where you'll be able to see exactly what I'm talking about. Diagonal, form small circles with your hand, and then we'll start to twist and turn, twist and turn. So this is another video just to make it easier for you to understand. Twist and turn. You know, on this page I don't gatekeep. I always show you all the details and even give you hacks on how to do it better. So just twist and turn. It might take a while for you to actually get it twisting and turning. I've been doing this for over 6 years. So twist and turn. Now to your twisting and turning, make sure that you are increasing the diameter of the roses. Now I have to bite at this point with my needle and thread, because if you do not and you're not holding it well, obviously the satin ribbon is just going to fall apart. So you need to use your needle and thread to hold it in place. Now, as much as possible, also try to ensure that your needle and thread, your thread is not showing on the surface of the rose. Some might not be achievable, especially if you're a beginner, but with practice you get used to it. So you twist and turn. Another option is making sure you use the same color of ribbon, just in case that some shows outside, it will blend very well with the rose. So you twist and turn, and you keep doing this, making sure that you're increasing the diameter of the satin rose, and then bite as soon as you know that it's getting more. Sometimes you bite after 3 twisting and turn, sometimes you bite after 4 twisting and turn. It depends on it. And if you want to bite after 2, that's fine. So you bite and then you twist and you turn. Now it depends on the diameter of the fabric roses that you are aspiring to create. Some make it small, some make it medium, some make it big. So if you want to make it big, you keep twisting and turning until you get to that point where you're sure of the diameter that you want. But at every point, make sure that you are biting the back of the satin, the fabric roses, so that it's not going to fall apart. Do you understand what I mean? So you're going to be biting the 2 places that, or 3 places that you just finished twisting and turning, just to keep it in place. Yes, I'm going to be biting it from the back and making sure that it doesn't show at the front. So this is where we are, and this is what we've got. Just watch and learn. I hope you're enjoying a masterpiece. Make sure that you follow this page. Make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you share to your friends who are creatives and who love creating DIYs. I'm going to be bringing many more DIYs and creative items right to your screen. So make sure that you follow me and support me with a like and a comment. I will appreciate to get a comment from you. And even when you're done with it, I would like to see it. Maybe you can just drop it in the photo in the comment section. I would really tag and appreciate you. Now we are almost at the required diameter. Depends on whatever diameter you want, like I said. So I cannot really tell you how long the satin ribbon will be, because it depends on the width of the diameter of the satin ribbon that, or the fabric roses you want to create. So here I'm still trying to finish it up, trying to get a particular type of diameter. So it depends on you. Some people might think this is too big, they want to make it small. It's totally up to you. So here am I, just finishing up. I'm making sure that I'm increasing the diameter even as I twist and turn. That is very important, or else you will not have a flared out fabric rose. So you can see the fabric rose is really flared out now, and this is the diameter that I want to use. There are some that are bigger, there are some that are smaller, so it depends on you. So all you need to do is get a bite, and then you knot your thread, and then you can cut the excess thread. You can do whatever you want with it. Maybe you want to apply it on rose, apply it on a fascinator, whatever you want to apply it. This is one of the ways of using it for fabrics, and this is the bigger one if you want to make larger ones. And make sure that you follow me, and also check on our shops if you want to order for yours. Till I see you in my next one, keep being creative, stay safe, be good. I wish you all the very best. Bye for now.